Does Dropbox take up space on my computer? If you're using Dropbox for your work, you might have their Dropbox desktop application already installed. The desktop app offers various benefits, such as real-time sync. However, there's a drawback. It's possible that all of your Dropbox files are downloaded locally, and they eat up a large space. Here's the solution. Use the Selective Sync feature to only keep local copies for important files. Click on the Dropbox icon. Open the Preferences dialog. Select Sync. Choose Selective Sync. Uncheck the folders you don't want to sync locally to save space. Only select those you want to sync. Click on Update. Now there's another challenge, the duplicates. You can find and delete duplicates on your Dropbox account with just a few simple steps. Fire up your browser and open cloudduplicatefinder.com website. Grab your free-to-create account and delete Dropbox dupes safely and easily.